author meta tag? Well, author meta tag is tag that we use to set who is the author of website. This information is not directly visible inside of our web page, but we can check this in code of our website. Now we'll start working on our meta tags, and be aware of that the most of meta tags are not directly visible in your web page. So let's start. Let's create first meta tag. Let's set our name and content HTML attributes. Like name, let's set author, and content will set author name, that is MasterMinds Tutorials. So let's save this change. Let's go back in our web browser. When we refresh our page, we can see that author meta tag is not directly visible in our web page. But if you press right click and click on inspect element or inspect, this is our HTML document structure. So if we click on head, we can see our meta author tag, and you can check who is the author of that website. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.